Here are 10 tips on how to encourage a baby to crawl and walk. Crawling. 1. Tummy time. Provide regular tummy time to strengthen neck and back muscles. 2. Place toys out of reach. Encourage crawling by placing toys just out of reach. 3. Create a safe space. Set up a safe and inviting area for your baby to explore. 4. Use a playmat or gym. Utilize playmats or gyms with engaging toys to motivate crawling. 5. Demonstrate crawling. Show your baby how to crawl by demonstrating it yourself. Walking. 1. Provide support. Offer support under your baby's arms or hold their hands while they stand. 2. Use a walker or exerciser. Utilize walkers or exercisers to help your baby feel secure while standing and moving. 3. Encourage standing. Encourage your baby to stand while holding onto furniture or your hands. 4. Practice. 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 Give your baby plenty of opportunities to practice walking with support. 5. Celebrate small steps. Celebrate small achievements, like taking a few steps while holding your hands, to encourage progress. Remember to always supervise your baby during these activities and provide a safe environment for them to explore and learn.